a fairy tale fantasy entitled The Frog Prince. And to our surprise, we got thousands of letters about it.
I was surprised about that, too. I didn't think frogs could write.
Tom, these letters weren't written by frogs. They were written by people. You know. Now, once again...
Dictated by frogs.
All right. All right, for all you fans and frogs, once again, The Frog Prince.
Hear ye now, good people, I have a tale to tell. Tell a tale of love and sorrow. Perhaps you know it well. Perhaps you know it well. In the land of sundown, beneath the willow wind, there lived a pretty princess. Her name was Amberine. Her name was Amberine. Fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la, doobie doo. Many handsome princes sought Amberine as bride, but only Prince of Smothers won favor at her side. One favor at her side. The beautiful Amberine and the Prince of Smothers were planning to live happily ever after. But the villainous doer of foul things abducted her and held her prisoner in his deep, dark, dank, damp dungeon.
Ah, my pretty one. No one will find you here in my deep, dark, dank, damp, dim, damn dungeon.
Where are we, you dirty old man?
A place so secret even I don't know.
Why have you brought me to this foul and evil place?
I was hoping you'd ask. I'm going to torture you, starve you, then beat you.
But why?
Because I love you. And you always hurt the one you love.
Suppose I told you I loved you.
No, that would take all the fun out of it. I want you for my wife.
Why, baby? Does she play with dolls?
No, don't you understand? I want you to marry me.
I can't stand you.
Why not? Why not?
All right, I'll tell you why not. You have bad breath. Bad breath.
If you won't marry me, you won't marry nobody, no how, no time. Get it?
And what will you do to me if I refuse?
If you refuse, my little puppet princess, I'll whittle you to death. No, maybe I'll sandpaper you to death. No, I know. I could throw you into a pit of termites. No, I know what I'll do. I'll tie knots in your strings, and then I'll wet you down, and then I'll leave you out in the sun to warm.
You beast! You wouldn't!
I will, unless you marry me, and nobody can save you. Not even that fair idiot, the Prince of Smothers. Curses. Who can that be?
'Tis I, the fair idiot Prince of Smothers. I'm looking for my true love.
Sorry, I haven't seen her. What is it this time?
Could I use your restroom?
No!
Help!
Hark! I think I hear my faint Prince's faint voice. Stand aside, you blackguard.
Oh, fair idiot, my beloved, my darling sweetheart. Oh, I'm so glad you're here.
So, it's you she loved.
'Tis I.
I'll put an end to that. I'll change you into a teddy bear.
I like teddy bears.
You do? Then I won't change into one.
If you were a real rotten villain, you'd make me something into really repulsive and disgusting, like a frog.
You gave it away, you gave it away, you gave it away. Now I know what to turn you into. Zap! You're a frog!
Woe into Prince Smothers, who is changed into a frog. And all because he happened to love a shapely log. To love a shapely log. Fa la 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 la, fa la 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 la, fa la 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 log. La 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 fa, la 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 fa, la 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 la.
Oh, my poor prince. Turned into a frog and forced to spend the rest of your life eating bugs.
Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit.
What was that? A grasshopper.
Yeah, they're not so bad.
Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit.
Oh, mon Dieu! Mon Dieu! What is that?
That is the biggest bug I've ever seen.
I'm not a bug. I'm the good fairy. I've come to help you, sweet Amberin.
Oh, that you could, good fairy. I long to marry a handsome young prince. But alas, look, he is turned into a frog.
Ribbit.
That's right.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
I am a frog.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Now I am forced to marry the villainous doer of foul things.
Nay, it need not be. For with my magic powers, I shall save you from that tragic fate.
Oh, what must I do?
Aha! You must kiss this frog. For only then can the miracle happen.
Oh,
Ribbit. Ribbit.
I get it. She kisses me.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
And everybody lives ever after when she kisses me. Go ahead, Amberin, and kiss me.
You must be joking.
No, you must kiss him. And believe me, it will be worth it. You'll find true happiness forever after.
Stop!
Ribbit. What's going on here?
Your plan is foiled.
Yes.
Quick, princess, kiss me.
Don't do it, kid. It'll get around that you kiss frogs.
Now, princess, before it's too late.
Oh, thank you, fair princess. Just think, a few moments ago, I was an ugly, stupid frog.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
But now, I'm a handsome prince.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Wait a second, I'm a crummy frog. What happened?
Ribbit. Ribbit. Ribbit.
What happened? Hey, what
Ribbit.
happened?
Ribbit. Ribbit. Some miracle. Your princess ran off with the good fairy. Ribbit. 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 Ribbit.
What kind of a fairy is that?
And thus ends the fairy tale of the Frog Prince and the Frog Villain.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Strangers in the night. Lonely people, they were strangers in the night. Exchanging glances, it turned out so right. They were strangers in the night. Dooby-dooby-doo. Ribbit, ribbit, dooby-dooby. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Coming up, some Smothers writers take the stage.